Hello, loves, and welcome to another fabulous collaboration today. Today's host is Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. My beautiful sister has a collaboration she's been doing each season, and today it is the Christmas Winter Lantern collaboration. This is an open collab, so don't forget to check out the sisters in the playlist below. So let's get started. Okay, welcome. Today we are going to decorate a lantern. The lantern that I'll be decorating today is a little different. It's very, very pretty. I love this lantern. I purchased this from QVC and I loved the way it looked and I thought it was gorgeous. A different type of lantern. So you would get to see how I set it up once I finish decorating. So that's the lantern we will be decorating today, and the items that we will be decorating with. The lantern came with a candle and a glass covering. We're going to use this plastic tableware Harlequin design, and we're going to have a few crystal branches here, some silver branches from Dollar Tree. We have 3 different types of ribbon. We have the Harlequin ribbon, velvet ribbon, and also the silver ribbon that I've been using throughout my DIYs this season. We have some lamb's ears that you are familiar with from previous decorating. And then we have some different types of pine branches. We have a light mint. We have a dark sequence one. And then we have this beautiful, beautiful long branch pick. So we're going to get ready to start by creating a swag like I normally do for my lantern. But this swag is going to be very elaborate. The lantern is going to be decorated very elaborate. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing first, I'm going to lay my branches and leaves in here to see how it looks, and then I will wire it in. So first we're going to start with the lamb's ears. Now we've used the fuller version at the top. And we're going to spread that along the branch, and then we're going to use a more thinner version toward the bottom so it looks like one long branch, and we're going to wire that together. Wire these two together to make one long branch. Alright, so we have one long branch because basically I want the decor to go all the way to the tips of this long pine pick here, and I don't want it to just stop right at the top. So I need one more piece of wire toward the top of the branch so it won't come loose. Now basically I will be laying pieces in here and wiring them together, each piece. And I'll just be placing them throughout the swag. Now we have we're going to place the the dark green on top of the swag. But we're going to place it down here toward the bottom, like so. And we're going to wire that in. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to put this on time lapse so it won't take up most of the time of the video, putting these pieces together. Okay, our swag is all wired in. So now we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to weave it in and out of the swag. So let's get this position in here. So we have our black velvet, we have our harlequin, and then we have our silver. So we have a nice little gathering here right at the top, and we're going to take some wire and tie that together. right up here at the top, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to gather it and tie it together right up here at the pick. So we're going to tie this off right here at the top. Now the bow will cover all of this, so it doesn't matter how it looks right now. I just want to tie it off against the branch itself. So we're going to fin tail our tails here. Let's make a clean cut. Okay, this is what it looks like with it attached to the lantern. It's very elaborate and it goes all the way past the lantern, and you'll know why in a moment. I wanted to go all the way past the lantern and look at all of the layers in the swag. Lots of layers, lots of glitz. We have 2 ties. I decided to make tails on this side and plus the tails down at the bottom here that I thought looks really, really nice. Okay, so many of you see me did this in my other DIY that I did on the channel not too long ago. I'm getting ready to cover the candle. So I have these plastic tablecloth that I have that I'll be decorating with my decor to match my theme. So we're going to fold it at one end, and then we're going to turn it around because the folded end is the top, and we're going to take our candle. Now this is a it seems like it has some glitter or some sort of glam material on it, so I don't want that to be showing. So we're going to wrap this. Okay, so I continue rolling and I fold the end here so we can have a finished end, and then we're going to tape it together. So this will be the back of the candle. So many of you seen me do bows before. If you've been with me a while, it's pretty simple. You have to make sure all of your loops are even. Now, if you have not seen me make bows before, if you're new to my channel, I will link that in the iCard above so you can check that out. But it's pretty simple. You just basically want to keep all your loops even. And if you have a pattern or a back side of your ribbon, make sure when you make your loop that you twist it in the center so it would always come out on the right side when you make a loop. So that's the only thing you need to remember. And this is a lot of material because the velvet, the ribbon is pretty thick. I mean, it's not too thick, you can't work with it, but it's thick when you get ready to make bows. So now we're going to attach it to the top of our lantern, and then we'll put our candle in, and that will be it. All right, here it is. Here it is. I like the openness of it, and I like the glass dome to cover the candle. And I believe the sweat came out very well. It's very elaborate, very long, and you'll see the reason why in just a moment when I get ready to show you how it looks installed. And thank you, my sister, for another fab collab and inviting me for 7 days of Friday holiday fun. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below for more holiday ideas and inspiration from some talented YouTube sisters. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you like what you see, click the subscribe button and the bell for more DIYs, organization, planning, and holiday inspiration. For all of my lovettes, thank you for your love and support. You are always in my heart. See you on the next one. Smooches!